Kambi mapuodho jok manigi gope mag bengi kata kembe machiwo kony mag omenda Metropol Credit Reference Bureau odonjo winjruok gi riwruok mar bengi ma pacho ka Kenya Bankers Association mar nyayo wach mar choko nono kendo piedho nonro mar mine manigi ohelni matindo madwaro kawo hola e bengi. Winjruok ma kamano manoketie kogno gapise mag KBA geto mar neno ni odin rode matamo mine manigi ohelni matindo mondo mi kik yud hola kowuok e bengi. Jata tije maduong' mar Metropol CRB Gideon Kipnakwai owacho ni thoth ohelni matindo mag mine nitiere kuonde dak ma yuto gi ni piny kendo giyudo achiedh nade mar yudo hola e kinde ka kinde. Omedo ni nitiere dwaro mar pogo nonro mar mine kod chuo kaka yono masiro mine mondo yud hola mar tego ohala maggi.
Metropol is going to be providing insights to KBA to support the financial services to reach to more women-owned MSMEs. So this is a big milestone for Kenya and for the general economy. We have been very patriarchal. Ownership of title, which are predominantly used as collateral, are held by men. So women have, over time, been slightly disadvantaged by not owning the necessary assets that are used as collateral. But they have one big advantage. They have the soft collateral. They are very good payers. They have a very good attitude towards credit. They are very prudent in the way they run business.
There are a number of men-led businesses which are doing well, and even when you look at data from banks, you can be able to see that there's a huge gap between women-led and those that are led by men. So the focus currently with the partnership with Metropol CRB is to ensure that we bridge this gap that is there between male and female. So in this data, we'll be able to now segregate. We'll get all the data on small and micro businesses, but now be able to segregate it for women and then men, but also go a step further, be able